Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare AmazingMarvin with a Clickup. The first thing I'm going to compare are pricing plans, and then I'm going to show you the main features, like how it actually feels to use Clickup and how it actually feels to use AmazingMarvin. So just before we start, I'm not paid by AmazingMarvin or Clickup to say one is better comparing to the other. And the second thing is that I would possibly use Clickup for project management and if I have a team. And AmazingMarvin is great for productivity tool, for task management. So this is like the main difference I want to start before we start about talking about pricing plans. So now, pricing plans. Clickup offers you free account, which is like really great. You got 100 megabyte storage, unlimited task, unlimited members, 2-factor. But then you're gonna have unlimited for $7.40. That's like $9. Again, integration dashboards, and you get literally everything. And you can have it for free trial. On the other hand, AmazingMarvin doesn't offer you free account. They only offer you 30-day free trial. Then you have to start paying monthly, $12 a month, yearly, or lifetime. Again, if you would see it, Clickup is completely dominating AmazingMarvin from the pricing standpoint. But let's see how it actually feels to use AmazingMarvin and Clickup. In my eyes, Clickup is much easier to use and actually like see how it works, because look at this. Yes, AmazingMarvin is winning with many things. For example, timer, that you can actually add Pomodoro timer or normal timer. Pomodoro timer is like 25 minutes work, 5 minutes of break, and you can repeat the cycle, or a timer for 50 minutes and you just focus on work. So you don't have to actually have apps like I don't know, Toggle or something like that, because you have it in AmazingMarvin. In AmazingMarvin, you get projects that you can simply add a new project. Look at this. We are going to compare it. Add a new project. I would name it YouTube Videos. Enter. And I can see it right here. In YouTube Videos, I can simply click on it. I can open full screen and I can add a task here. Again, what I don't like about AmazingMarvin, how many steps you have to actually click on to get somewhere. Like comparing to that, TickTick or even others are much simpler to use, like Todoist, To-Do. And now I have it here. In Clickup, again, I'm going to click here. I'm going to add a space, which I can name YouTube 1. Okay. Create space. Then, in space, I can simply create a new list. See, and I would write here the YouTube one is automatically like added if I want to, or I can click here, new list, and I am going to name it list 2. Okay, and I can simply to do 1, 2, 3, voila, add a new task, YouTube videos, and as you can see, like the difference is there. I can simply create a new task, or I can simply create a new list. And here I can create a subtask. But the same thing I can do in AmazingMarvin. So I can click here and add a subtask. Right? So there is not so much difference. But personally, I have a signy here. I can click on a plus here. Let me move my camera. On the right time, you could see formula. For example, formulas are missing in AmazingMarvin. Progress bar, rating, drop down menu, location. Also right here in Clickup, you can simply click here plus, add a view, and you can add as a Kanban board. Yes, you can have similar things in AmazingMarvin. Then you're gonna see calendar here, activity, box, Gantt chart, mind map, timeline. Yes, you have timeline also as a calendar in AmazingMarvin. But again, Clickup is all about, and then you can have like empty here, all about project management. So, but with the prices, as you can see, Clickup is also great for productivity tool. But with the productivity tool, and if you have like daily tasks for yourself, I would go definitely, I'm going to move my camera again. I would go definitely with AmazingMarvin here. When we compare these two, and when I'm not going to compare different tools. So AmazingMarvin is great, but in my eyes, it's nothing like If you want even more complexity, go with Notion, you know? But yes, you have projects here, you can create smart lists, you have labels here. But for me, right now in 2021, or whenever you're gonna watch this video, it feels, how would I call it? A little bit difficult to actually master. And I was creating a lot of tasks in this program. But comparing to Clickup, it's a different program. I recommend for it to use, but definitely check for Notion, Todoist, TickTick if you don't find them more useful comparing to AmazingMarvin. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments and let me down below which we're gonna choose. Have a great day and goodbye. See you.